this is what makes hikes so special. You get to see this again, water. Hey everybody, David, aka RVJEDEYE, aka Car-V-Jedeye. And I am about to chef it up in a big way today, and I think you're going to enjoy this because this is something you can do on the road as well. Remember my motto, there is no need to eat poorly when on the road, car camping, RVing, or traveling. You can do it. So we're going to do one pan paella, shrimp and chorizo, done in a cast iron skillet. It will be fantastic, and this is a recipe that you can do easily on the road. I'm getting hungry. Let's go do this. The ingredients for this are pretty simple. Shrimp, pork chorizo, white rice, canned tomatoes, onions, green pepper, mushroom, garlic minced, garlic powder, rosemary, bacon fat, paprika, garlic powder, thyme, and salt and pepper. First thing you want to do, to a hot skillet, add in your bacon fat and start melting it down. To the pan, you want to add in some chopped up onions, rosemary, and green peppers. As the peppers and onions are cooking down, you want to add in some canned tomatoes, diced. Next in the pan, you want to add in some thyme, some cracked pepper, and some cracked salt. You want to make sure it is flavorful right there. Then you want to add in some paprika. You want to get a nice healthy amount in there. And then finally you want to add in some minced garlic. And then you want to stir it all up and make sure it's cooking all down together. Now this is where it starts to get really good. You want to add in your chorizo. I use pork chorizo in this. You want to get it in there, stir it up, and start cooking it down. Next in the pan is your rice. You really want to get this all mixed together, coat it with the tomatoes and chorizo, and just stir it up so it's ready to add in the liquid in just a bit. Oh buddy, time to add in some chicken stock. You want it to cover your rice. Stir it up just a little bit just so everything is coated, and then you really need to just let it start to cook. Time to get the shrimp into the rice. I've cleaned and deveined them. I'm putting them just under the first level of the rice, and then also making sure that some of the chicken stock covers it as well. You want to spread them all out. After adding the shrimp, I'm adding in some mushrooms into this paella. Same thing, just kind of underneath that top layer of the rice. Just want to keep cooking it all down. Once the mushrooms are in the pan, it's now time to add in some green peppers. This is more for show than anything else, but it looks pretty, doesn't it? Finally, into the pan, I'm squeezing some lemon and also leaving some lemon into the rice as well. So once the paella is in the pan and the rice is cooking, this is really where you just have to let it set. You have to let that rice cook all the way through. And then towards the very end, that's when we're gonna add the shrimp, we're gonna add some mushrooms, we're gonna add some green pepper, and just let the whole thing bake out, cook out, and get ready to eat it. So there you have it. It is chorizo and shrimp paella. Let's try it, dig into it. It looks fantastic. A nice crust on the bottom with this rice. And the shrimp. Perfect. I'll put a link to how you do all of this in the comments below, but as I always say, when you chef it up, you just want to have some good food on the road, and you can do it in your car, RV, tent camping, wherever you are at. This is a great example of how you can do it all done in one pan. Hey, that's going to do it right now for me. Make sure you follow me all over social media at RVJEDEYE. And then, of course, you can follow me on the blog at RVJEDEYE.com. Get out there, chef it up, have fun, eat well when you're on the road. We'll see you next time.